Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super useful for your Squarespace site in 2025. Installing Google Tag Manager, or GTM. If you're running an online business or just want better tracking on your website, GTM is a game changer. It lets you manage tags for analytics, marketing, and more without messing up your site's code. By the end of this video, you'll have it set up in no time. So, let's get started. First things first, you need a Google Tag Manager account. Head over to the GTM website and sign in with your Google account. If you don't have one, create it quickly, it's free. Once you're in, click on Create Account and fill in the details for your website. Give it a name, like your site URL, and select Web as the container type. After that, you'll get a container ID. Keep that handy because we'll need it soon. Now, log into your Squarespace dashboard. Go to the Settings section and find Advanced or Code Injection. This is where the magic happens. Copy the GTM container code from your GTM dashboard. It's usually 2 snippets, one for the head and one for the body. Paste the head snippet into the Header Code Injection area in Squarespace. If there's a body snippet, add that to the Footer section for best results. Save your changes and preview your site to make sure everything looks good. Don't forget to verify. Go back to GTM, publish your container, and use the preview mode to check if tags are firing correctly on your Squarespace site. If all goes well, you're all set. This setup will help you track user behavior, run ads more effectively, and optimize your site based on real data. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. See you in the next video.